Guys, humans are the worst traders. Humans are very bad traders. Because of the way we are built, because of the way our psychology and our mind is programmed, we are very bad traders. Before I even go into the video to prove to you guys why humans are very bad traders, let's listen to what this particular trading legend has to say about humans being very bad traders.
Humans are very bad traders because the human psychology is the opposite of how you should actually trade. So all of these feelings that you get as a human, you have to suppress. And that's part of the learning process. And you become kind of hard-coded over many years, where you know when you get this feeling, you push it away. And then you carry on as you should.
So guys, how true is that? How true is that? So from this is Austin, I think Austin Scroll something is one of the biggest trading legend. He traded for one of the top prop firms. Then he's the founder of the Institute of Trading. I used to watch this guy back in 2015, about 8 years ago. He's a legend, no doubt about that. So what this guy is saying is very, very correct. You know, for us humans, the way we are programmed, your mind is programmed to be able to take you away from pain, to be able to prevent you from going through pain. That's how your mind is programmed. So everything you do in life, your mind tends to provide you, or your mind tends to prevent you from going through pain. That's how we build. That's how human psychology is. The same thing applies in trading. That's why I tend to love Forex robot. Because a robot is there to eliminate human errors. A robot is there to eliminate second guessing. Let me show you guys some scenarios, all right? And you'll be able to also understand and believe what I'm saying, and also what this particular trading legend is saying. A human is a very, very, very bad trader, a very bad trader, or a worse trader, in the sense that you tend to trade with your intuitions. And your mind and your intuitions tend most of the time to prevent you from going through pain. You will see a particular setup that you know, okay, you need to be able to capitalize on this setup. You need to be able to pull the trigger, but because of fear, some people will do the analysis, they will do everything, but when the setup appears to them, they tremble. They shiver, they fear, they pass out. They don't want to take that particular trade again. All right, there are some people like that. They know they are very good chartists. They can analyze the chart, but when they see the setup, they are scared to pull the trigger. All right, because that is the way your mind is programmed. The way your mind is programmed is to prevent you from going through pain. Because now at that point in time, your mind is telling you, okay, what if this trade doesn't go your way? What if you blow that account? That is how your mind is programmed. All right. Look at this particular scenario. Let me just quickly show you guys this particular scenario. Maybe it will make things a little bit clearer. You can see on this particular trade, this is Great Britain Pound JPY. When we just came back, I think from Switzerland. Remember, we just came back from our world tour. We just came back from Europe about 2 weeks ago. And I took this part, this was the 4-hour time frame, and I took this trade while we were still in Switzerland. Back in Switzerland, this is somewhere, I entered in this particular trade somewhere here. I'm going to be putting the screenshots of all those trades on the screen so that you guys can see. So immediately we had this pullback to form this double bottom. I got into the market somewhere here. All right. Originally, I was planning to get out somewhere up here at around 300 and some. Remember, this is a 4-hour time frame. I was planning to get out somewhere here at around almost about 400 pips, and I was risking about 100 pips. That's a risk to reward of about 1:4. That's what I call monster trade. All right. I got into the trade. God willingly, the trade went in my favor. It keeps going up. And when it got somewhere here, and I saw this particular double top. Even though my plan was to get out on this particular week, when it got up somewhere up here, and I saw the market started consolidating somewhere here, something started telling me, my mind started playing it, something started telling me, okay, this market might go down somewhere. This market might be able to retrace somewhere around this particular point. And since at that point in time, I had already banked in about 250 pips, I was like, damn it, I'm done. I was risking 100 pips, and I've already made 250 pips. I can call this a trade. I'm done. I'm just going to close this. And when I get to South Africa, before I even continue trading this particular account again, I closed this from year to year with almost a profit of about $9,000 because this was like a swing trade. All right. Immediately I closed at this particular point in time, my other account, which was with another broker, had a robot on it. Remember, my other account, which was with another robot, with another broker, has my robot Pitfalls Pro. Pitfalls Pro was on it, and I did my analysis, and as soon as the market got here, I put Pitfalls Pro at this particular level on the lower time frame, which was a 5-minute time frame, and I put trades per signal was 2 or something, and I put it on buy only. So Pitfalls Pro was only capitalizing on the buy, and remember I was in 5-minute time frame. Pitfalls Pro was only capitalizing on the buy, capitalizing on the buy, capitalizing on the buy, and by the time the market got somewhere here, my account, it was a small account, it was a $1,500 account. That account was already floating on around about $7,800. I saw it somewhere here. By the time I was closing the trade, the swing trade which I took, which was not by the robot, I'd made about $8,000 on that particular account. Then the one which was running with the robot was up with about $7,000. But at that point in time, I just let it go. At the back of my mind, I was like, anyway, I started this account with $1,500. Even if the market has to go down, I'm done. I'm fine. I'm fine to let that $1,500 go. And I just forgot. We flew from Switzerland to the Netherlands, from Netherlands to France, from France back to South Africa. The whole trade was still running. Until a few days ago, when we got to South Africa, a few days ago, I checked the market. The market was somewhere up here on almost about 380 pips, and the robot was still there running. And the account has moved from $1,500 to $16,780 something dollars. From $1,500 to $16,748. Meanwhile, the manual one, which because of the human brain, because of how humans are programmed, because of how our brains are programmed, I hurriedly closed that particular trade with $9,000, of which if I would have followed my rules and I was still in that particular trade, see, even to now, the market is still going up. If I would have followed my rule and I was still in that particular trade, by now I would have been up with almost about $30,000. You see, so that is why that's why I drew myself to the conclusion that humans are very bad traders. Humans are the worst traders ever. All right, unless you try as much as possible to trade. That's why they used to trade. Say, for you to be able to make money in forex trading, sometimes you need to trade like a robot. A robot doesn't care. The robot doesn't care about that money. That's why they say monkeys can make money more than you. If you give your chart, if you teach a monkey how to trade, that monkey will make money more than you. That monkey will know how to trade more than you, because the monkey doesn't have any monetary value attached to that particular trade. The monkey doesn't have any monetary value attached to that particular chart. But you, once you start trading, because you have your emotion involved, you have a monetary value intact, your psychology will start playing games, and at the end of the day, that will cause you to be the worst trader ever. That's how I come to the conclusion that humans are the worst traders ever. So for you to be able to succeed in something like this, trading psychology is something that will be able to make you a better trader. Remember, I'm talking about making you a better trader, because your brain, that's how your brain was programmed. Your brain will always try to be able to prevent you from going through pain, but you need to be able to teach your brain to think and act and trade as a profitable trader. Work on your trading psychology, because that is the only thing that will be able to put you on the winning spectrum of profitable forex traders like us, who actually trade sometimes as a robot. Sometimes we trade like robot. We don't have any monetary value attached to that particular trade. We don't trade with emotions. We don't allow our psychology to play games with us and make us the worst traders ever. If you've gotten some value from this particular video, make sure you smash the like button on the video. And if you're watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. Click here to watch a video which I made about trading psychology. Click here to watch a strategy that will help you to win on swing trade. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.